Alright guys, welcome back. So this is going to be a totally different kind of video, something I never expected to make. But when I hopped in this morning, there was a big glitch going on with the whole Webull platform. I was reading comments too. Everyone was having a lot of problems, and this didn't come up until I actually tried placing an order. I recorded the whole thing. I ended up losing money because I couldn't exit the order, and Webull is not responsible for it. In the fine print, it says that they have zero liability in any kind of trade you make, even on their behalf. So, it's just something that happened, and it's not something I could have prevented. I ended up getting into some spy contracts, and I tried exiting out because it wasn't going in my favor. I could have broke even if I got out when I wanted to, or been down $20, but I still, to this point right now, we're going on quarter to 12, and I still can't see my P&L for the day. I just know what I was at before and what I'm at now. So I ended up losing like $51 or something around that, $50. I'm kind of pissed off. It ruined the mood for the day. And I mean, that's just going to be it. I'm not going to rant too much about it because it is what it is. But definitely not my fault that I lost 50. Definitely could have took a way smaller loss, probably cut that in half. But I'm definitely going to show you exactly what happened. So here we are, 9:30. The market's open. I was looking at Apple, and I figured I'd look at the SPY too, only because the contracts are a lot cheaper because they expire today. On Apple, the earliest expiration is October 9th. So I really didn't know if I felt like getting into any of these contracts today. But anyways, let's just fast forward. Just get to the point. So the SPY gapped up. 337.70 was Friday's closing price. So where'd I end up getting in at? I ended up buying puts because this thing was pretty extended off of the open, and I just wanted to get a quick scalp on a pullback. So I think I ended up getting in here. And here's the problem. So I went to cancel my order. Because I placed the order up here at 74. I'm sorry. Working. Oh, at 76. So I do end up getting filled. So I'm just waiting a minute, just see if this thing could continue downward. And right there, I try getting out right there because it's popping up above VWAP. Bad response from server. Try getting out. Try getting out. Won't let me out. So this is 100% Webull's problem at this point. Then we go through this thing. Submitting. Can't get on my phone. Can't place an order on my phone. It's doing the same thing. Now this thing's working against me. So after submitting it, nothing happens. And I guess this is a downside of a zero commission broker, that there's going to be stuff like this that happens. Look at this, network error. So I know I'm going to take a loss on this. It's just like I don't know what's going on. There's a network error when sending the order. You can check this order in your open order list later. It's like, what do you mean later? I want to get out now. So there was a little ting or a ping, like a order confirmation, but it never filled me. I'm still locked in this order. It almost ends up like doing an automatic exit at like the highest point, because this thing ends up popping up a little bit and then selling off. So I could have been a profit, but I wouldn't have waited. I wanted to get out at negative $20. So yeah, I'm just aggravated at this point. It's Monday. I was looking forward all weekend to getting back in on Monday morning, and it just didn't go as planned. They sent me some emails saying that the problem is resolved, but I still can't look at my performance page. I ended up using about half of my account for this trade, so I still had like $300 left. I did end up taking 2 trades on Apple and making like $12 or $13 back, so I ended up being down like $40 for the day. I'll show you guys after. Still trying to get out. P&L's, $40 now. Still can't get out. Still stuck in it. Here we go. Now this is all freezing up on me. There's nothing worse than being stuck in a losing trade and it not being your fault. Oh, now and then at this point I can't even open my account up. So I end up shutting it down and trying to get back on. And now it's saying open account. I end up emailing them. Still can't get on, and this is basically it. I think I end up closing out this or stopping the video. I just wanted it recorded just so that if they did want proof, I could send them proof. But yeah, so I never end up getting back on. Let's see if I can even get back on now. Man, what a way to start the week. I did good all last week. And I started this month good. So still, it's still down. So as of Friday, I think my account was at 767. Let me double check that. Because I can't even see right. I can't even see it now. Alright. So order history. So this is all today. I bought 5 at 76 puts. They ended up selling at 66. So that's $10 times 5 is $50. And that was at 940. So it like filled me at the worst spot. It's so crazy. Then I took a long break. I came back when everyone said that it was back up and running. I bought 3 contracts at 108. Sold at 111. So that's $9, and then I made another $1, so $10 back. My account was at 767 as of Friday, minus 726, which it's at now. So $41 loss today. I mean, I gotta look at the bright side. They're not liable for anything. It could have went a lot worse. Because if I couldn't get out at all, the SPY... Alright, let's just show you this really quick. One minute. It's not the SPY. Okay. So I ended up getting in right here. I probably ended up getting out the top of this candle. Well, that's not the 5 minute. Let's do 5 minute. Which is right over here, but it's 9:35. Yeah, so I bought puts right here. I probably ended up getting out around here somewhere. So that's not too bad. But then it came back down in my favor. I would have made money at that point. But say that I couldn't exit the position until up here. I mean, come on. And it wouldn't be their fault. Just make sure you guys keep that in mind with Webull. I don't know how other platforms are, but I didn't read the fine print. They are not liable for any malfunctions that the platform has and causes you to lose money on their behalf. They are not liable for that. So, you know what? Let's scratch this day. I'm down $40. It's not horrible. And we'll start fresh tomorrow. Yeah, see, it's not, I don't know, it's still there's still something wrong with the platform. But that's going to be it for today, guys. So, sorry I didn't have a solid trade for you guys today. But I just wanted to show what happened and how I lost money from it. So hopefully tomorrow everything is a-okay and is working good, and we could get in the green tomorrow. All right.